Back idioms. British.com. Behind your back. When someone criticizes you, or tries to cause trouble for you, without your being aware of it, they are doing it behind your back. She has been saying awful things about you behind your back. Break the back of something. When you have finished the most difficult or longest part of a job, we say that we have broken the back of it. After writing 450 idiom definitions and examples, I knew I'd broken the back of writing this book. Watch your back. To watch your back is to be very cautious of what is happening around you, especially when others are out to cause problems for you. You made him look stupid in the meeting, so I'd watch my back if I were you. Back to back. Things which happen one after the other, or consecutively, occur back to back. There is nothing worse for a teacher than having 6 classes back to back in the afternoon. Fell off the back of a lorry. Something which has fallen off the back of a lorry has been obtained through dubious means, often illegally. At such a low price, it was obvious the phones had fallen off the back of a lorry. Scratch back. If you do a favor for someone in return for them doing a favor for you, we say you'll scratch their back. I'll drive you there, and you pay the petrol. You scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. Like water off a duck's back. Like water off a duck's back means happening without any apparent effect. They can slag me off all they like, but their scorn is like water off a duck's back to me. Turn your back on. To turn your back on someone or something is to walk away and stop being involved or stop trying to help. You can't just turn your back on your responsibilities. Get someone's back up. To get someone's back up is to infuriate them. She's really getting my back up this morning with her constant orders. Watch someone's back. To watch someone's back is to willingly defend someone else when they are in jeopardy. Whatever happens, it's nice to know that you're watching my back. Put your back into something. To put your back into something is to make a great deal of physical or mental effort to achieve something. I really had to put my back into getting this book finished. Back out of. If you refuse to continue with an agreement, negotiation, or an argument, you are backing out of it. I don't trust him to go through with the sale. I'm sure he's going to back out of it. On someone's back. When you are on someone's back, you are constantly criticizing them in an annoying and oppressing way. The boss has been on my back all week about the new prototype, but I keep telling her I need more time. A pat on the back. When you have done something well and someone else praises you for your efforts, you receive a pat on the back. You all deserve a pat on the back for making this dream come true. Give the shirt off your back. If you are willing to give the shirt off your back, you are willing to sacrifice anything and everything that is required to help someone. Louis would give the shirt off his back to help his father with his business. Back against the wall. When you are in a difficult or dangerous situation, and have very few choices of how to act, we say you have your back against the wall. Before they were able to get new investors on board, the company had its back to the wall. Stabbed in the back. When we are stabbed in the back by someone, we have been betrayed by a person we trusted. I've treated him like my son for the last 20 years and now he stabs me in the back to try and take over the company. Back someone up. To back someone up is to support them by confirming that what they are saying is the truth. I was nowhere near the building when the fire started, and I'm sure the CCTV footage will back me up. Have or take the shirt off your back. To take the shirt off someone's back is to take the last things of value that they own. That debt collection agency will take the shirt off your back if you let them. When your back is turned. When someone does something when they are no longer being watched by you, they do it when your back is turned. As soon as my father's back was turned, my mother would give me sweets. Bend over backwards. When you go out of your way to get something done, often with a view to helping someone else, you bend over backwards. I always bend over backwards to ensure my students quickly improve their English.